Lunch lady fired for giving a student free food. The story of the New Hampshire lunch lady fired for giving a student $8 worth of food has taken a dramatic turn, with the catering company now calling her a liar and the student's mother accusing her of orchestrating a cover-up. Bonnie Kimball was terminated on March 28th by Fresh Picks Cafe, a company that supplies food to the Mascoma Valley Regional High School in Canaan, after she gave the male student lunch in spite of the fact that he had no money on his account. And while Kimball's termination sparked outrage on the internet, Fresh Picks Cafe is now hitting back in a YouTube video statement. In the clip, published on Monday, company president Brian Stone stated, "The employee told the manager that she charged the student's account for the lunch, but the manager later confirmed that there were no charges on the account, so what the employee said was not true." Meanwhile, the student's mother has also spoken out, accusing Kimball of messaging her son on Facebook in order to orchestrate a cover-up. Bonnie Kimball, who was fired from her job as a lunch lady on March 28th, has now been called dishonest by her former employer in a statement they released on YouTube. The mother showed the union leader Facebook messages that the lunch lady sent her son on March 28th, telling him to load money to his card for the next day because her manager would be watching her ring up the charges. "We will probably get written up, but we can make it look good, lol," Kimball reportedly wrote to the boy. The mother of the student said to the union leader, "What kind of an adult says that to a child?" Kimball is further accused of sending the boy messages in the weeks after her termination, including a recent one in which she bragged that she was going to appear on TV and meet famous football players. Meanwhile, the mother further claimed that rumors that her child was hungry are fabricated. "I have 3 children, and they are all well cared for and well fed. She did not get fired for feeding a hungry child." Additionally, Fresh Picks Cafe claimed that Kimball may not have billed the boy for months. In the YouTube statement, Stone stated, "Despite the fact that the student goes through the line frequently, they hadn't been charged for anything for the previous 3 months." They further claimed that on March 28th, she loaded up the boy's tray with a la carte items beyond the basic lunch service. Items served to the student apparently included cookies, French fries, and a Gatorade. Speaking with a union leader, Kimball appeared to explain why the student's account hadn't been billed. She said she would regularly let the teen charge food to his friends' accounts because he was a popular jock. It's a twist in the story that has garnered national attention in recent days, with Kimball finding several high-profile supporters. In response to the public outreach after news of her firing broke, Kimball has started a GoFundMe page, which has amassed close to $8,000 in donations. Chef Jose Andres, who has restaurants located in Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, and Miami, said earlier this week that he was willing to give Kimball a job and described her as a hero. He tweeted, "The hero is Bonnie Kimball. If she needs a job, we have openings at Think Food Group. If you know her, let her know." A person that is so resolute like her to make that decision to feed a hungry child, even knowing she may get in trouble, a person like this, I guarantee you, will be worth having at my company. He added, "A hero like Bonnie shouldn't be fired for giving a hungry child a meal." Meanwhile, Kimball spoke with ABC News earlier this week, saying that she told the male student at the time she gave him the food that he needed to top up his card when it showed he had no funds. "I just told him, have your mom send in some money tomorrow," Kimball claimed, adding that she had no doubt he would pay for his meal the next day. "The man who fired me actually stood with me, watched me do the transaction. He said okay and he walked off," Kimball said. "The boy brought the money in at 7:30 in the morning and paid his account in full," she continued. "His family is very well known in this town, and I can guarantee that if I called his mother, she would have come right in and paid the bill, but I didn't want to get her out of work," Kimball said. "I know they would have brought the money the next day. The bill was going to get paid." At the time of her firing, Kimball said she was told, "Do you understand what you did was wrong? That was theft." Stone told DailyMail.com, "An employee violated school and company policy in dealing with our food service, and our district manager made a decision he felt was right at the time." However, Kimball told ABC News the school should bring on another vendor, one that will treat the children better. "They'll never have another kitchen crew like we were. We made those lunches with love. "We weren't just lunch ladies," she said. "We went above and beyond our job and made sure the kids got what they wanted and how they liked it." Kimball also claims that she has received an outpouring of support on her Facebook page, including from a US Navy SEAL and a professional football player. And while it was reported that Freshpix Cafe had initially offered to rehire her with back pay for the month of work she had missed, it seems their YouTube statement now proves otherwise.